There is something timeless about wood, the way it holds warmth, the way it carries stories, and the way it allows us to create objects that both serve a purpose and spark emotion. When you craft with wood, you're not just making an item, you're shaping an experience, a memory, a story someone will bring into their home and live alongside every day. And when these pieces are made thoughtfully, beautifully, and with intention, they become more than art, they become an income source that grows with your skill and creativity. Turning wood into wealth isn't about mass production or expensive machinery. It is about understanding what people value, what homes need, and what emotions people want to feel when they decorate, gift, or improve their living spaces. Today, we're exploring how your woodworking skills, whether you are just starting or already deeply skilled, can become a real source of income through high-demand wooden craft pieces that consistently sell. When we talk about wooden crafts that sell, we are really talking about the intersection of beauty, function, and emotional value. People purchase wood pieces not only to use, but to feel connected to nature, to craftsmanship, to authenticity, to something real in a world full of mass-produced plastic and assembly line decor. And that is your advantage. Every handmade wooden piece carries character. Grain patterns are never repeated. Color shifts, knots, smooth curves, and small differences create uniqueness, something buyers adore because no two pieces are exactly alike. The key to turning wood into wealth begins with observing the world around you: homes, cafe interiors, market stalls, online shops, and the items people reach for without hesitation. These are everyday objects elevated by craftsmanship. A cutting board that is shaped beautifully becomes a statement piece displayed proudly. A simple candle stand becomes a centerpiece. A small wooden tray turns into a personal ritual moment, the place where someone sets their keys at the end of the day, or where they rest their morning coffee while watching the sunrise. What you are really selling is the experience of living beautifully. Start with small to mid-size items, especially pieces that are useful. These sell faster because buyers feel both emotional and practical satisfaction from the purchase. A simple example is the wooden serving board. It is a basic tool in any kitchen, but when you curve its edges, polish its surface, and apply natural oil to bring out the richness of the grain, it becomes luxurious. And that sense of luxury is something people are happy to pay for. Wooden decor trays, spoon holders, spice racks, and candle stands all fall into this category. They are familiar, easy to place, and always in demand. But beyond function, you want to craft pieces that speak to personal identity. Consider wooden desk accessories, pen holders, mini organizers, small sculptural paperweights. These items often become gifts, and gifts are one of the strongest categories of handmade purchases. Why? Because people want to give something meaningful, something that feels like love took time. When you craft wooden gifts, you are also crafting emotional value. This emotional value is one of the strongest drivers of price. Something that feels meaningful can easily command more profit. Another powerful category is wooden wall art. Even the simplest abstract wood piece, just layered shapes, curves, circles, or geometric forms, can transform a space and create a sense of sophistication. People crave interiors that feel warm, grounded, and artistic. When you work with natural texture and simple form, you enter the world of organic minimalism, a style that is incredibly popular because it pairs well with modern homes. And you don't need complicated tools for this, just good sandpaper, smooth finishing, and thoughtful design. When you create wooden wall art or decorative sculptures, you are offering not just decor, but atmosphere. One of the greatest opportunities in woodworking is what I call story-rich souvenirs. These are pieces that reflect culture, tradition, landscapes, or symbolic meaning. It could be carved animals, miniature homes, abstract shapes inspired by local nature, or patterns drawn from heritage art. When people buy these, they are buying identity, something that expresses who they are or where they come from. These items become memory pieces, travel tokens, family gifts, conversation starters. And the more meaning something carries, the higher its perceived value. Another powerful avenue is repurposing scrap wood. Pieces left over from larger builds can be turned into coasters, key holders, card stands, incense holders, and jewelry organizers. Scrap is inexpensive, sometimes free, and the smaller the object, the higher the profit margin can actually become. The magic here is transformation, turning what would otherwise be waste into beauty and income. This is creativity at its purest form. And buyers love knowing that pieces are environmentally responsible. This adds emotional weight to the purchase. As your skill and confidence grow, you can move toward crafting small furniture pieces that hold universal appeal. Think of stools, small side tables, floating shelves, or multi-purpose stands. These items sell for higher prices and can still be made with simple tools if you focus on clean design and strong construction. People love furniture that is minimal, elegant, and easy to place. If a piece fits into multiple home styles, its demand is high. To make your woodworking profitable, presentation is crucial. Buyers love a story. So when you offer your pieces, describe not just what they are, but what they mean. Tell the story of the wood, where it came from, how the grain formed, what the shape expresses. Share the care you take in crafting. Show the finishing process. Let people see your hands in the work. When they feel your presence in the piece, the value rises. Photography matters. Natural light, neutral background, warm tone, this lets the wood shine. When listing online, describe how the piece may be used in daily life. This helps customers imagine it already in their home. And when you sell locally, display pieces at eye level, grouped by tone or style. People buy faster when pieces feel visually complete and intentional. As you continue crafting, your work becomes your signature. People begin to recognize your style, the curve of your edges, the finish of your surfaces, the emotion your pieces express. And this is the moment where your craft becomes wealth. Because wealth isn't just income, it is something that grows. When your work gains consistent recognition, you have built a brand. When customers return, you have built loyalty. When your pieces become part of people's homes, you have built legacy. Turning wood into wealth is not about luck, it is about love for the material, understanding of the buyer, and patience in craft. Your hands shape not just the object, but the life you are building. Each piece you create is a step toward a future where your creativity sustains you, where your workshop becomes your freedom. Wood is abundant. Creativity is limitless. And your journey is just beginning. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.